thing I've wanted for such a long time. Ooh, my first grown-up tool. Now this is really mostly for me for doing the trees. Yes, I've done a lot of them, but I will use it so much. It's battery powered, and it's like it's a reciprocating saw, 18 volt. It's like a knife saw, if you like, that you don't need any effort to use, basically, for people like me. It's lithium, and the brand is Stanley. And we went into the shop. I was just looking because I've been wanting one for a long time. They're very expensive. And we went into a shop, and I said to Mike, well, let's just look, because he wasn't sure what I was wanting. I did not want one of the mini chainsaws, and it's not a good idea for me, no matter how small a chainsaw is, to use a chainsaw, which people have said use that. Pruners are no good to me, the mechanical pruners. I need something more substantial, and I was explaining to the guy that I need this is what I need, and he gave us such a great deal for it that we couldn't say no. And also you can have different blades on it. There's a standard blade on that, and it also comes with 2 batteries and a charger. You can also get any additional blades for it. These ones are specifically tree blades. There's 5 in there, fast cut, sharp. And the good thing about this brand is we've seen some of these saws before, and they're only for quite thin branches. This, he tells me, I can actually do the whole olive tree trunks with. And you can actually change blades, get different blades for cutting through all sorts of metal, stone, and all sorts of other things. And I will obviously be filming the first time that I use it. This is what it looks like inside. We have a charger included, and 2 batteries come with it as well. One is already on the bottom of the tool. It's not too heavy. I was allowed to try it in the shop to make sure it was okay for me. A simple trigger action to use, and an easy click safety trigger between cuts. The shoe here you press against whatever you're cutting, and there's different ways and positions of that. The shoe stops all vibrations from using the tool. It comes with 4 instructions, a 3-year guarantee and 1-year guarantee on the batteries. Safe and easy to use for all abilities, and great multi-uses for many DIY and different projects. For me, my review of using it, which you will see soon, is awesome. Perfect. And there's even a feature on the side of the batteries where you can press a button and it shows you how much power is still left. So I will be sharing this with you. As I say, the charger obviously you plug in, but it's all battery, which is great because I can then use it at any time of the day. Setting it up for the first time. Until next time, Araki.